Hello dear friends, today I am going to tell you top 10 foods must avoid during the pregnancy. That is 1. Raw papaya. Completely avoid raw and unripe papaya as it has a substance called latex which can start uterine contractions. It can cause miscarriage in early pregnancy. It also contains papain and pepsin which can cause fetal development issues. So, it is advised by doctors to completely avoid raw and unripe papaya throughout the pregnancy. Second is aloe vera. Must avoid consuming aloe vera or its juice during the pregnancy. Taking aloe vera juice may cause uterine contractions and can also drop the sugar level in blood. Sometimes it may cause vomiting and diarrhea, which would lead to loss of electrolytes and vital minerals from the body. So, better to avoid aloe vera as much as possible. 3. Hing. It is recommended to avoid hing during the pregnancy. It increases the body temperature, which may pose a risk for a pregnant woman. 4 is pineapple. It is advisable to avoid pineapple during the pregnancy as pineapple contains which may cause uterine contractions. Pineapple contains bromelain which can soften the cervix and can start labor. So strictly avoid pineapple during the first trimester. 5th is raw uncooked eggs. Avoid consuming raw or uncooked eggs as they may contain salmonella virus. Food items that may contain uncooked eggs include mayonnaise, soups like egg drop, mochi, homemade desserts, homemade sauces, raw cookie dough. This is raw uncooked meat and chicken. If you are a non-vegetarian, make sure to eat all meats like lamb, goat, beef and chicken cooked at 100 degrees Celsius. There are certain parasites that can cause food poisoning in expecting mothers. 7. Fish with mercury. Fish contains high level of mercury should be avoided. Mercury consumed during the pregnancy has been linked to developmental delays and brain damage. A sample of this type of fishes and their mercury levels given. Please check it. 8 is caffeine. Avoid caffeine during the first trimester to reduce the miscarriage. If you want to take caffeine, don't exceed more than 200 mg per day. 9 is alcohol. Alcohol should be avoided during the pregnancy. Prenatal exposure to alcohol can interfere with healthy development of the body. Alcohol consumption during the pregnancy can lead to fetal alcohol syndrome or other development disorders. 10th, unpasteurized milk and its products. Milk is very important during pregnancy, but never use unpasteurized milk and its product as they may carry disease causing microbes which can harm the fetus development. If the milk is unpasteurized, then boil it first before the consuming. And most important thing, please avoid restaurant foods and street foods during the pregnancy. I hope everybody will like and share. For many more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.